नमोस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौरंगी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दाई तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्वत्रे नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Budama, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Satsang Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gurubandhu Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakar Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnav and Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So continue, we also discussed about conversation between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Rai Ramananda. And yesterday we also discussed सभी दास्य वात्सल्य राधा कृष्ण এই লীলা অতি গুরুতর দাস্য বাৎসল্য আদি নাহি এসব গোচর। সবেক সখীগণের ইহা অধিকার, সখী লীলা হইতেই লীলার বিস্তার, সখী বিনা এই লীলা পুষ্টি নাই হয়, সখী লীলা বিস্তারিয়া সখী লীলা আস্বাদয়। Here Rai Ramananda very humble he told, and Radha Krishna's Leela is very confidential, and especially those who are the devotees of Daksa, Sakha and Vatsalya, they cannot to enter in this confidential pastimes of Divine Kula Radha and Krishna. And yesterday we also discussed these things. Those who are Sakharas, Priya Normal Sakhas, Suval Siddham, sometimes they also help how Radha Krishna meeting together in their confidential place. But for Radha and Krishna in their Kunja meeting together in the perform the amorous pastimes, actual Suval, he can't to stay in there. Just he serve outside of the door. And yesterday we also and sometimes this Leela also Priya Norma Shakha, they sometimes they also helping how Radha and Krishna meeting together. Because Sakharas is called the friendship mode to the and helping so how to conjugal and mode and Radha Krishna's Leela. So for this regard, we also discuss about Subal Milan Leela Katha, how Subal he helped Radha and Krishna, they meet together and on the bank of Radha and Radha Kunda. So Subal Milan Leela Katha also we discussed and because Dasa and Dasa and Vatsala, they are friends. That is called the mode of and friendship mode. That is called friendship mode. What is called? Uh, what is the like told? That use this word. Mitra Rosh. Mitra Rosh means they also this and how to friendship to each other. That means Dasso and Basula friendship is there. Ashokha friendship mood and conjugal mood, and they also and there is called Mitrarosh and another also Vatsalorosh and Madhurjara Singarosh. That is called and what is called Mitra Bairi Rosh. Bairi means against. Shatru Rosh. Shatru Rosh or Bairi Rosh. And so in this way, and in our Shastra also explain which rows favorable or which rows are unfavorable to each other. So Sakharosh, that means Subal Sriram sometimes they also helping how to Radha and Krishna, and they also meet together and perform amorous pastimes. And another also Vatsalorosh and Vatsalorosh and Singarosh, that is called Vairirosh, unfavorable to each other. Or that is sometimes that's a given example. When once Krishna he was taking the breast of Mother Jasoda and Mother Jasoda very nicely love and affection with Krishna and feeding her breast. In the meantime, Mother Jasoda she noticed Krishna's lotus face and with some the red marks on his face. Then Mother Jasoda she thinking maybe last night when Krishna returned back from the cow herding, and that time maybe her maid servant or they did not proper way to clean Krishna's body. And oh, for this regard, maybe Krishna is very restless, chanchal, and maybe Krishna also sometimes lay down on the mud of Jovuna, maybe mud of Jovuna sometimes also and a red color. So Mother Jasoda she also looking, and this is the um, not this is called the Jabuna mud, the mud of Jabuna. And in the meantime, Kundalata she came, and Kundalata she also told to Mother Jasoda, "Hey Mother, this actual this is not the mud of Jabuna, red color. Actually, this is the sindur of the forehead of the gopis, and all the marks of the nail marks of the gopis on his body. Then, because now Kundalata she continues, she told, now Krishna is taking your breath. Actual last night Krishna he performed ras dance with the gopis. Then Mother Jasoda she think what is the ras dance? Then she did not think that Krishna performed ras dance with the gopis. And because Mother Jasoda always thinking Krishna is a small baby. How possible Krishna he will meet with gopis and perform the amorous pastimes with them? And for this regard, she don't believe. But Kundalata she told no, she did. Eh? Kundalata she told actually last night Krishna um, performed amorous pastimes with the gopis in the ras dance in this way. And then Mother Jasoda, just according to her idea, she thinking, oh, here the ras dance means and dancing and singing. My baby Krishna also dancing and embracing with the small baby girls. So for this regard, and but she did not believe that Krishna performed ras dance and embracing and kissing with the gopis this way. Then Krishna and smiled, and Krishna also and looking here and there. So in this way, our Acharya Goswami also explained those are devotees of Vatsalya Ras, and they cannot understand the Madhurya Ras Sringar Ras. This is called conjugal mood in this way. And so for this regard, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Adi Lila, fourth chapter also same thing, he also explained this way. বৈকুণ্ঠাদি নাই যে যে লীলার প্রচার শেষে লীলা করিব যাতে মোর চমৎকার মো বিষয়ে গোপীগণের উপবতী ভাবে যোগমায়া করিবে আপন প্রভাবে আমিও না জানে গোপীগণ দুহার রূপে গুণে দুহার নিত্য হরে মন ধর্ম ছাড়ি রাগে দুহে করে মিলন কভু মেলে কভু না মেলে দৈবের ঘটন এই সব রসনে যাস করিবার সাধন এই দ্বারে করিব সব ভক্তের প্রসাদ ব্রজের নির্মল রাগ শনি ভক্তগণ রাগ মার্গে ভজে যেন ছাড়ি ধর্ম কর্ম অনুগ্রাহ্য ভক্তানাং মানুষম দেহমাশ্রিতম ভজতে তাদৃশ ক্রীড়া যা শ্রুত্বা তৎপরো ভবেত. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very clearly explained in this verse, because Krishna is called Rasik Shekhar Paramakarun, and before Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in this chapter and explained যে প্রেম রস নির্যাস করিতে আস্বাদন রাগ মার্গে ভক্তি লোক করিতে প্রচারণ রসিক শেখর কৃষ্ণ পরম করুণ এই দুই হইতে ইচ্ছার উদ্গম. Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandani Gaurari, and especially he took Srimati Radhika's complexion and her mood. Okay? Because here the Prem Krishna is called Rasik Shekhar and Paramakarun. There are two adjectives here. And Krishna is Rasika Shekhar, because Rasik Shekhar, Krishna Paramakarun. Two adjectives here explained very clearly. Visheshan. Krishna's two Visheshan here. And adjectives, that because he is called Rasik Shekhar. He is the topmost connoisseur. Connoisseur means who is expert to relishing the highest prema madhurya from his beloved. And he is very expert and completely intoxicated with this madhurya ras. Because Krishna actual origin form is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. Krishna is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. So for this, Dhir Lalit Nayak means who has four qualifications. Navatarun is always ever fresh, ever fresh, beautiful form, very charming and attractive, and that is called Navajovanam. And Preyashi Bashivut, and he always controlled by his consort. And or Navatarunno Preyashi Bashivut, or and he क्या याद है भूल जाते प्रेसी वसीभूत नवतारुण्य and he is called very expertism to joking, very laughing and joking, very expertism, and that is called parihas photo. Parihas photo is very expertism to laughing and joking, and in this way very quickly he can and to explain and his own words है कथा को जल्दी जल्दी घुमा दे सकते हैं है और एक कहाँ रह गया है और निश्चिंतता निश्चिंत माने is completely calm and quiet. He don't cry at anything. Nishchintata. These are the four qualifications of Dhir Lalit Nayak. So, for this regard, he is very expertise to enjoying the prem and highest prem from his prayers, and especially Krishna, he realizes the highest prem from Srimati Radhika. So here is explained in this way, the prem ras nirjas korite astad. And Krishna now he appeared in this collision in the form of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. How to release the essence of prem rasa? The essence of prem ras, that is called Madanakha Mahabhav. But if you want to know these things, Madanakha Mahabhav, then we start from Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Vajana Kriya, Anarthamritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav and Prem, then Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, then Bhav, Mahabhav, then Ruda, Udruda, then Mohan, then Madan, then this is the Madanakha Mahabhav. Because this Madanakha Mahabhav only monopoly and etc. in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Though Krishna is very expertism and to enjoy by releasing this prem, but without Srimati Radhika's bhav and kanti, mood and her complexion, Krishna cannot test these things. For this regard, here also prem ras nirjas kudyacharan or ragmargi bhakti lok korite pracharan, and he also preached ragmarga bhakti lok. Yeah, ragmarga was a Brijavasis. Those are eternal associates of Krishna, Krishna's Nitya Parikar. How they have spontaneous, sahavik, love and affection with Krishna. And these types of prem, he also preached to everyone. Another thing, Krishna, he also realizes the highest prem from the inner court of Srimati Radhika, and he also indiscriminately distributed this prem to everyone. These things also Rupa Goswami Pad and composed Didagdha Madhav Natakam, Anarpita Charing Chirat, Korone Avatirna Kalo, Samarpayatu Unnatu Ujjalasam Sevakti Siyam, Harihi Purada Sundaradiri Kandama Sandirpita, Sada Hidaya Kandaris Puratubaha Sachinandana. Sachinandana Gaur Hari is called the embodiment of munificent and magnanimous. And for this reason, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he realizes these things and also distribute things. And especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his very confidential form that is called what is called Rasaraj Mahabhav Swarup. And this Rasaraj Mahabhav Swarup only Rai Ramanda saw. No one can see this. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Rai Ramanda, this Rasaraj Mahabhav Swarup, this is very much confidential. Don't you tell to anyone until I'm staying in this world. So, for this regard, Krishna is also Param Karun. So now coming in this way, here also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained the বৈকুণ্ঠাব্দে নাহি যে যে লীলার প্রচার সেসব লীলা করিব যাতে লোকে চমৎকার. Even some lila is not in Vaikuntha. Vaikuntha Adi means Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka and Mathura. These types of lila not manifest in there. And because Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, and Mathura, this is called the Oishwarya Misrit Madhurya Samsam. That means the Madhurya mixed with Oishwarya, opulence. And same Krishna, he manifests in Vaikuntha Dham in the form of Narayan. And our same Srimati Radhika, she manifests in Narayan, a Vaikuntha Dham in form of Srimati Radhika. Lakshmi Devi. Lakshmi Devi. For this regard, very clearly explained, Ishwarir Bhed Manile Hoy Aparad. And if you think Krishna and Narayan defend Lord or defend Bhagavan, this is called offense Aparad. And so Ishwarir Bhed Manile Hoy Aparad. Achinta Vedabhed Tattva Siddhanta Desing. Krishna, with his inconceivable potency, Achinta Shakti, he manifests in noble form. Why? Because according to the mood of the devotees, and then he also manifests his different forms, Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura. But Vaikuntha to Dwaraka, actual there is opulence in there, opulence in there. But in Golok, Vrindavan, that is called the Madhurya Dham. In this Madhurya Dham, there are some Leelas. That is Pesa Leela. What is the Pesa Leela? That is called the Rasa Leela. This is the important. And Rasa Leela, actually, that is a Parakyatta Bhav. Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, and Mathura, there are no any Paramur modes. No, even not in Upapati Bhav. Upapati who has married and he also hidden away, she meets with another person. This is Utpapati Bhav. Then Vaikuntha, Lakshmi Devi, she has no this types of mood, no Upapati Bhav. Sita Devi, it is impossible. In Ajodhya, Sita Devi, she has no this mood also there, no Upapati Bhav. And even in Dwaraka, Rukmini, Satyabhama, not possible. Because they have nishtha with only Krishna. They are nishtha with their husband and marriage husband. Or in Golok, Vrindavan, Gopis, they have Upapati Bhav with Krishna. So here also Vaikuntha Adi nahi je jo Leela ro prachar se sab Leela karibe jate more chamatkar. And here also explain this Leela Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura's Leela and Parikatta Leela Bhav only Golok, Vrindavan. And because in this material world, people have no idea what is the meaning of Parakatta Bhav. For this regard, Krishna Yogamaya, and with his Yogamaya, and he manifests this Leela in there. That Leela also going on, same Leela is going on there, and so Leela is also here also same Leela. But some Babaji Sampradaya, they are saying only Prakat Leela, Krishna manifests the Upapati Bhav Leela and are in not that Leela in Nityadham. But our Acharya, especially Gurudev, and told this is not true because Krishna Leela is Nitya is there. And Jiva Goswami Pad very clearly explained one sloka Ananda Chinma Rasa Pratibhavi Sarva Jiva Nija Rupa Taya Kalabhi. In this slokas, Jiva Goswami Pad in his commentary very clearly explain the in Golok Vrindavan, that Leela is going on same Leela. Or same Leela Krishna manifested in Prakat Vrindavan Dham. And only these things, one thing also Jiva Goswami Pad explains Krishna two kinds of Leela. One is called Nitya Leela, and is called Naimittik Leela. Nitya Leela, that Krishna's Tapos Leela, that is called Rasa Leela, that is called Nitya Leela. Naimittik Leela, and in Aprakat Golok Vrindavan Dham, that is some Leela is not, and Leela is going on, but there the form is not there. That's such a given example. The Putana Bodh Leela is going on, deliverance of Putana. Putana Bodh Leela is going on there, but there are no form of Putana. Putana की कोई मूर्ति नहीं है, किंतु पुतना बोध लीला चल रही है, बट पुतना बोध कृष्ण जन्म लीला है. Even Krishna जब Krishna he takes birth from the womb of mother Yashoda, but this Leela is going on this way, but the form is not in there. So there, in this context, Jiva Goswami Pad explain actually that this is called the Bhava Matra. Jugmasi arranged this way. But in Prakat Leela, when Krishna manifests his Leela in Bhuma Vrindavan, that time, and you can see in Krishna's this Leela, Putana Mokshan Leela, and Krishna's Janam Leela and other Leela is there also. So here also explain Vaikuntha आदि नहीं जे सब लीला रो प्रचार ते सब लीला करिब जाति मोर चमत्कार. And because Krishna is very merciful and wonderful, because Srimad Bhagavatam Sukdev Goswami Pad very clearly explained in this way, अनुग्रहाय भक्तानां मानुषम देहमाश्रितम भजते तादृश क्रीड़ा जासुत्वा तत्परो भवेत. And Krishna is very merciful, and he manifests his this Leela. Which Leela? Rasa Leela with the gopis. And same Leela Jogmaya manifests in this Prakat Bhoma Vrindavan. And so here the Anugraha Bhaktanang Manusam Dehamasritam Bhajate Tadisha Krida Jasutva Tatparo Bhavit. And one who listens this Katha, and then he will be free from all kinds of obstacles of his bhajan and sadhana, and completely absorbed with Krishna Lila, then he will be attained to Lord. So the Anugrahaya Bhaktanang Manusam Dehamastritam Bhajate Tadisha Krida Jasutva Tatparo Bhavit. So here also Mo Visay Gopigane Upati Bhave Jogmaya Koribe Apano Prabhave Amiyo na jani Gopigan Duha Rupe Gune Duhar Nitya Hare Man. And here Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami very clearly explained. And Mo Visay Gopigane Upapati Bhave. Gopis, their mood, their Upapati Bhav towards Krishna. Or this Leela also Jogmaya manifests. Amiyo Najani Gopi. Even Krishna, he forgets his supremacy Bhagavatta. But here Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu also explained at a time Krishna two opposite mood inside India. One is called Sarvagata and Mugdhata. All-knowing power is there, and so completely innocent Mugdhata. Because this is called the Bhagavatta. But Jogmaya, she also makes forget Krishna's Bhagavatta. So for this regard, and gopis, they also forget themselves and herself. I am the eternal, the associate of Krishna. कृष्ण हम नित्य परिकर ये भाव नहीं रखते. गोपी जो वाले थिंक आई एम एन ऑर्डिनरी एंड ब्रज young girl. This thing. And Krishna also is thinking, yeah, I am an ordinary cowherd boy. And because Naravat Lila, human being Lila means is what in this material world, and conditional soul, man and woman, how they also and attracted to each other with their beauty and other activities. In the same way, Manav Lila, uh, Jogmasi arranged this way. Here is Amyo Najani Najane Gopigan. Krishna says, I don't know. I am Bhagavan, I am Krishna. Eh? Even gopis, they don't know. They are my eternal Sarv Shakti. Eh? They also forget. Duhar Rupe Gune Duhar Nitya Hariman. And both when we are and attached to each other's qualities and activities. Just human being la, manav lila, and conditional soul, and young boy and young girl, how they attracted to each other with their beauty and that attractive. In the same way here, Duhar Rupe Gune Duhar Harimor Mon, because this Manav Lila is going on this way. Because Krishna topmost Lila, that is called human being Lila, Manav Lila. And Krishna Jate Khela Sarvottam Nara Lila, Narabapu Taharo Sarup, Gopavesh Benukor, Navakisur, Notavar, Nara Lilar, Hoy Onorup. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told to Sanatan, Sanatan, listen, Krishna Tattva. कृष्णे स्वरूप विचार सुनो सनातन अद्वय ज्ञान तत्व ब्रजे ब्रजेंद्र नंदन. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Sanatan, listen, Krishna Tattva. Krishna is called Advaya Gyan Paratattva. Advaya Gyan means non-dual. He is one, unique, unparalleled. But with his inconceivable potency, Achinta Shakti, he manifests many forms. So Krishna is Jati Khela Sarvottam Naralila Narabapu Taharo Sarup. Krishna, he performs many leelas. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nisingha, and many leelas also in there. But his topmost leela, that is called human being leela, Manav leela. In the human being leela, topmost leela, that is called Varnandana Samsundar leela. And this thing. So Krishna is Jati Khela Sarvottam Naralila Narabapu Tahara Sarup. This is his origin Sarup. This is origin form. Which form? Human being form. And which human form? He is the son of Nanda Maharaj, Brajarajanandana, and Jasadanandana Samsundari. This is origin. Jatira Abhantari Divuja Muralidhara Sama Sundara. Some Sundar Rup, and also is called, what is called? Dibhuj Muralidhar. Two hands and also holding the cloth and pick of feather on his forehead. This is origin for it. And Varaha Pidam Narvaruba Pukarna Kodinkaram Vibratavasur Konkapisam Vajantumalam Randhanu Beno Radha Sudaya Purana Govrinda Vindaranam Sapadaраmanam Pravisata Gitikeste. This is actual Krishna's origin form, Kishore Rup, and Advaitam Achyuta Anadi Ananta Rupam, Videsu Durlab Atma Bhakti, Navajauvanancha. In this verse, Brahma Samhita also explains Krishna and Brahman Samsundar is always youthful form. Navakishore Natavar. So he is called Navakishore and Natavar. Navakishore means he is always ever fresh, youthful form, and very nice, beautiful. Natavar. He is expert how to dancing, singing, and how to enchanted the heart of all the living entities. Especially, he enchanted the heart of the Braj Gopis. Kastrangati Kalapadam Mritabenu. In this verse, very clearly, Go Dija Druma Hiranna Pulakana Vibramam. And not only the Gopis, they enchanted the beauty of Krishna. Even in Vrindavan, Go, Gai, that means that is called the cows, birds, and deer, trees, and everybody completely intoxicated and the beautiful form of Krishna. So Krishna's beauty, there is For this regard, Krishna's four extraordinary qualifications are Rupa Madhurya. Then Rupa Madhurya is very important. Then second is Venu Madhurya, and enchanting the sound of the flute of Govinda. Very charming and attractive. So Rupa Madhurya and Venu Madhurya. Then Lila Madhurya and Prema Madhurya. So now coming in this way, he has also explained Amio Najane Gopigan, Duhan Rupe Gunen, Duhan Nitya Hariman, Dharma Chhadi Rage Duhe, Kore Milan, Kabhu Mile, Kabhu Na Mile, Daivere Ghatan. Again, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained, though they attracted to each other with their beauty and others' qualities. This is true. But Dharma Chhadi Rage Mile, Duhero Milan. And that time they gave up all the rules and regulations of the society. Here dharma means rules and regulation of the society, Samaj Dharma. And they just meeting to each other with their deep attachment, anurag. And anurag means is what? Parsparanu Snehanu Bandhanam. And both of they also completely intoxicated and binding to each other with their and sneha. Sneha means love and affection. So for the prasparanu snehanu bandhanam, anurag, two qualifications special. Prasparanu snehanu bandhanam, and another darshane atriptata. Darshana atriptata, they are not satisfied to each other to taking darshan. And even Krishna, he looks Srimati Radhika. That when Krishna is thinking, I did not see. Who is she? This thing was. Krishna also attracted with the beauty of Srimati Radhika. Or Srimati Radhika, she also completely also bewilderment, taking darshan to Krishna. Because Krishna's one qualification, another also, that is called Nitya Nava Navayanman. Krishna always ever fresh beautiful form. Nitya Navayanman. Because Nitya Navayanman, ever fresh, this word cannot we use in this material world. How? When you say 1 second, then the arms of the clock automatically what? Past, change. In this material world, not the present tense, opposite present tense. 1 second, what is called pulse, everything is also very quick, fast. Love math, everything is also going very quick. But transcendental world, that is Achinta Sakti, that is possible. For this regard, for here use this word Navo Navayanman, ever fresh, newly. In Golok Vrindavan, Krishna is called Nava Navayanman. In the same way, Gopis, Srimati Radhika, Lalita, Vishakha, Rupanjali, they are form also very beautiful and attractive. They are also ever fresh, beautiful form. For this regard, Krishna, what is called, attracted with Gopis, or Gopis they also attracted with Krishna. So here also Dharma Chhadi Rage Duhi Kore Milan, Kabhu Mile Kabhu Na Mile Daivere Ghatan. Now Jogmaya she is doing another lila. Sometimes they meet together and sometimes not possible. Why? Because Jogmaya she arranged, the Jogmaya had to meet together, but he is not. Jogmaya she arranged sometimes also what is called separate. So why? Because separation is called the test of the meeting. मिलन की सौंदर्य माधुर्य होता है विरह के द्वारा. For this regard, Jogmaya she arranged this way. For this regard, Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad wrote this verse: Nobina vipralambheno sambhoga pushti matnute jatha ranjete pasaite vastra. Vipralambha meeting actual nourishment, how to meeting each others. Separation arranged. Nobina Vipralambha Sambhuka Pushti Masmute. Jatha Ranjite Kosait Vastra, if you put the cloth in saffron dye, then again and again, if you put the cloth in the saffron dye and color, then that the cloth color will be more delightfulness will come. In the same way, Jogmaya, she arranged, and sometimes gopis they meet with Krishna, and sometimes they cannot meet. And because when there separation coming, then eagerness coming. Yeah, this is the thing. Because here the definition of transcendental love, dhangsatta karanopi or dhangsatta. Even their cause will come to destroy, and that frame will be never destroy. And other hands, it will be what? And increase more and more. And because this is the perfect definition of love. लाभ की परिभाषा किसका? प्रेम की परिभाषा है ढंग से के कारण उपस्थित होने पर ध्वंसीभूत नहीं होकर के उत्तरोत्तर है मिलन की प्रबल जो आकांक्षा रहता है, इच्छा रहता है, उसी कहा जाता है प्रेम कहा जाता है. समझ में? ढंग से के कारण उपस्थित है द कॉज अराइज टू डिस्ट्रॉय, बट प्रेम विल बी नेवर डिस्ट्रॉय, बट मोर एंड मोर eagerness will come to each other, how to meet together. So here also dharmachari rage duhe करे मिलन, कभू मिले कभू ना मिले दैवीर घटन. Here दैवीर घटन means Jogmaya she arranged this. Because human being lila, not a lila. And sometimes Krishna he goes Bhandirvat and gopis they went to meet with Krishna in which one? Madhuban, Talban, other one, Kumudvan. So how they will meet together in there? Bhandirbat in this side, other side of Joguna, or Kumudvan in the other side of the Joguna. So they don't know. So here in this way also, Kobu mile, Kobu na mile, Daivi Regotan. Ace of Nirjas Kariba Ashadan. And here also explained in this way. In this way, I will relish these types of prem and prema madhurya. Because this prem madhurya is going in this way, sneha, man, pranay, rag, unrag, bhav and mahabhav, ruda, udruda, moha and madanakha, mahabhav. And in this madanakha, mahabhav, actual madanakha and madanakha, mahabhav, no virahat madanakha, mahabhav. There is no separation in madanakha, mahabhav. But in this context also explained, they also feeling milan mein biraha, biraha mein milan. When they are meeting together, they are feeling we are separate. Or when they are separate, they are thinking we are meeting together. And in this way, there is a prem madhurya, and that is called prema ghurnaman, mane vivarta. Prema vivarta is going on this way. Na so Raman, na ham Ramani, duha pesala ekala jani. And that time they completely, absolutely forget themselves. I am enjoyer or I am enjoyee. Na so Raman, na ham Ramani, duha pesala ekala jani. So this types of is praying is going in there. For this regard here he is saying, but these types of prem not manifest in Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka and Mathura, not possible. Only Golok, Vrindavan. And that Leela also Jogmaya, she manifests in Prakat, Vrindavan Dham. And how Radha and Krishna they are meeting together and how their Leela is going on there. So here you see, here explain ye, Brajer Nirmal Rag Suni Bhaktagan, Rag Margi Bhakti, Rag Margi Bhaji Jai, Chari Dharma Karma. One who listen these types of Braj, Madhurya Lila Katha, how they have spontaneous love and affection to each other. And that time they will give up all the rules and regulations of the society. Na dharmam, na dharmam, shruti kono nittam kilo kuru. Braji Radha Krishna Purushurja. Na dharmam, na dharmam, shruti kono nittam kilo kuru. Manasik Charugana Das Goswami. I will not follow any rules and regulations, dharma and adharma. Na dharma, na dharma. Which mentioned in Shruti, Smriti or Rati. What you will do? Braji Radha Krishna. Only my mind will be absorbed and how to serve different Radha and Krishna in Braj. Here also saying this way. Braje Nirmal Rag Suni Bhaktagan Rag Marge Bhaje Jano Chari Dharma Karo. And Anugrahaya Bhaktanang Manusang Dehamasrita Bhajade Tadisa Kira Jasutva Tatparo Bhavit. Continuing Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. In this verse also explain Jasutva. On hearing this katha, यदि इस कथा को कोई श्रवण करे and absorb with this katha and tatparo bhavit and completely, absolutely absorbed, then he will attain to Lord Krishna and attain to Braj. Here also explained this way. Bhavet kriya vidhiling sei hoy. Avasya kartabya avasya annata pratyabhay. Here explaining according to Sanskrit word bhavet kriya, ja sutva, bhajate tajya kriya, ja sutva tatparo bhavit. Yeah, bhavit. Yeah, bhavet kriya vidhiling. Vidhiling means is in Sanskrit vidhiling means giving the direct instruction. आदेश जारी हो रहा है. क्या बोला? आदेश जारी हो रहा है माने निर्देश दे रहा, आदेश दे रहे हैं. जिस प्रकार गुरु शिष्य के आदेश देते हैं, यदि शिष्य गुरु के आदेश पालन नहीं करे क्या होता है? गुरु के अपराध हो जाता है. गुरु के अपराध नहीं होते, शिष्य के अपराध होता है. यह पागल मैं घुमा करके बोला ये बोला हाँ. गुरु गुरु अवज्ञा हो गया ना. गुरु आदेश दे रहे हैं, शिष्य यदि नहीं पालन करे तो अपराध किसको होता है? शिष्य का अपराध होता है. इसलिए मैंने घुमा करके बोले हाँ गुरु अपराध, गुरु का अपराध होता है. ये सोच रहे गुरु अपराध, गुरु अवज्ञा. अच्छा ठीक है. तो ठीक उसी प्रकार यहाँ पर भी just here also explain bhavet kriya vidhiling. Vidhiling here this Sanskrit word vidhiling that is called, but the Shastra gives the direct instruction. You will have to follow. If you not follow, then what happens? Kartabya avasya annatha pratyabhay. Pratyabhay, this is also those often. Understand? So here saying, yeah, that means you have to listen. This katha, Braj Lila katha. Here this same, because before also, Nugraya Bhaktanang Manusam Dehamasita Bhajate Tadisa Kira Jasutva Tatparu Bhavit. श्रवण करने के पश्चात उसमें मनन करो, उसमें डूब जाओ, उस लीला में प्रवेश करो. भवित क्रिया विधि लिंग सही यह कय कर्तव्य अवश्य अन्यथा प्रत्यवय. यही वंशा कोई चे कृष्ण प्रकट कारण असुर संहार अनुसंग प्रयोजन. Actual Krishna, he killed many demons. That is called the Ishwar. And external. The actual Krishna, he did not kill any asura. When Krishna Vajbandhan Samsundar he appeared, that time all his incarnation inside. And for this regard, Krishnadas Kaviraj before he also explained, ये विष्णु द्वारे करे असुर संहार. अतएव विष्णु जखन कृष्णेर शरीरे विष्णुधारी कृष्ण करे असुर संहारे अनुसंग अनुसंग कर्मई असुर मारन যেই লাগি অবতার কহি সে মূল কারণ কৃষ্ণের যেই হয় অবতার কাল ভার হরণ কালে যাতে হইল মিশাল পূর্ব ভগবান অবতারে যেই কালে আর সব অবতার তারে আসি মিলে when Bhajananda Samsundar Krishna and here Krishna means Sarva Avatari with the source of all incarnation. Sarva Avatari. Krishna is called Avatari. And all his incarnation inside him. So that means Bhajananda Samsundar when he comes and automatically all his incarnation inside him there. So external we see that Krishna he killed different kinds of demons. Actually who killed the demons? His incarnation Vishnu. Vishnu dari kare asura sanghar. So now coming in this way, then Bhavet Kriya Vidhilan say hoy কর্তব্য অবশ্যই অন্যথা প্রত্যবায় এই বাঞ্ছা যেসে কৃষ্ণ প্রাকট কারণ অসুর সংহারার আনুষঙ্গ প্রয়োজন এই মতে চৈতন্য পূর্ণ ভগবান যুগ ধর্ম প্রবর্তন নহে তার কাম যে কারণে তবে কইল অবতারের মন যুগ ধর্ম কাল যেই সেকালে মেলন এই দুই হতি অবতারী লয়ক ভক্তগণ আপনি আস্বাদে প্রেম নাম সংকীর্তন এই দারিয়া চন্ডালী কীর্তন সঞ্চারী নাম প্রেম মালা গাঁথি পড়াই সংসারী very clearly explained in this way আপনি আচরি ভক্তি করিব প্রচার এই মত ভক্ত ভাব করি অঙ্গীকার আপনি আচরি ভক্তি করিল প্রচার দাস্য সখ্য বাৎসল্যে আর যে সিঙ্গার চারি প্রেম চতুর্বিধ ভক্ত আধার নিজ নিজ ভাব সবে শ্রেষ্ঠ করি মানে নিজ ভাব করে সুখ কৃষ্ণ সুখ আস্বাদনে তটস্থ হইয়া হৃদি করি বিচার যদি করি সব রস হইতে সিঙ্গার রসের মাধুরী Here very clearly explained. There are four kinds of devotees of Krishna: Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya, and Singaros conjugal. According to their adhikar, and they are thinking their ras madhuri is highest. But nijo nijo bhav sabe shrestha kari mane. Nijo bhave kare Krishna sukh aswadane. Tadastha hoya, when we were tadastha mane तटस्थ माने की क्या बोलते हैं इनडिफरेंट माने निरपेक्ष होकर विचार करना है ना निरपेक्ष होकर विचार करना पड़ता है निरपेक्ष इंग्लिश देखो क्या हाँ निरपेक्ष इस साइड में लेना नहीं उस साइड में लेना नहीं निरपेक्ष होता है देखिए न्यूट्रल जब न्यूट्रल होकर के जब आप जजमेंट दोगे जैसे जज कैसे जजमेंट देता है न्यूट्रल होकर ना उनके पक्ष है ना इनके पक्ष है न्यूट्रल होकर जाना तो उसी प्रकार जो है फॉर दिस इज सब रस हुई सिंगार रस अधिक माधुरी तो इन दिस वे हैव वेरी क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन सिंगार रस इज द टॉप मोस्ट so here Krishnadas Kaviraj very clearly explained and Rayananda Sambad also discussed about Singaras Madhurya Katha and understand this. Gaur Premanandi Hari Bol Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai 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 Sri Radhe. कृष्ण कामदेव को मारा तो क्या हुआ इसकी क्या समझ आर्य बृंदावन श्याम सुंदर नहीं मारे उनके काम ये नहीं है उनके जो इसलिए कर रहे हैं उनके अंदर में जो अवतार रहे वही करते हैं कृष्ण की बृंदावन श्याम सुंदर के काम है रस माधुर्य जो गोपियों के साथ प्रेम विहार आदि करना एक्सटर्नल कृष्ण मारा है क्योंकि जो जितने भी है सब उनकी वही अवतार आदि करते हैं तीन प्रकार कामदेव के बारे में शास्त्र में कहा गया ये तो सुना ही नहीं पड़ेगा हरिबोल हरिबोल